G'day everyone, welcome to episode 4 of my Megasquirt series. Today we'll be covering the physical installation of the Megasquirt ECU as well as the first start. Let's get started. Alrighty, so in the last one we routed the wires through the firewall there, and we're going to need another spot to run our vacuum line to the Megasquirt ECU. On the other side of the engine bay there's a little grommet there between the brake booster and the accelerator cable. And on the inside of the car it's probably going to pop up somewhere around there. That's what the grommet looks like, exactly the same as the other side. Just going to poke the old drawstring down there. It is the coat hanger from the previous video. Going to remove the footrest just to pull the carpet back. Expose a bit of plating there, and you can just see the draw wire coming out through there. Alright, there's the vacuum line that comes with the Megasquirt. Just going to attach that to the drawstring. Here we go. Alright, attempt 1 failed. Very good, let's try again. I'm not sure if I did this, but a bit of the vacuum line looked a little damaged there, so I'm just going to cover it with some sticky tape. Alright, you're going to run the line over the throttle body here. And we're going to take that plug off of that port there. Just wiggle it off. Attach the vacuum line. Alright, now let's run the vacuum line over to the passenger footwell. I'm going through behind the stereo just because it's easier. Next we're going to remove the carpet from the passenger footwell to expose the ECU. Open your passenger door, pull up the floor trim. Be careful, the clips are brittle. Of the clips, and there should be one there. I broke mine. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this kick panel. And now we can expose the carpet. There's a metal plate protecting the ECU. There's 2 bolts at the top and 3 bolts under that piece of foam. Once you've removed those, you should be able to pull up your cover plate. There it is, the ECU in its glory, as well as the fossilized remains of some bug. Alright, now you're going to push down on these clips and remove them. Take your time, they are a bit hard to get out. And there's a couple of plastic tabs to remove. There's the ECUs, side by side for a bit of a comparison. Megasquirt does sit a bit taller. Alright, plug in the old cables into the Megasquirt. One of them is blank, can't mix them up because none of them will fit in there. There's where the vacuum line will route. There's the serial port for hooking up the laptop, and that's the options port. Connect your serial port and install your ECU. Grab your USB. Alright, once Junior Studio updates, it'll re-upload, and that's it. Alright, I'm going to connect the USB to serial cable to my laptop. I'm going to turn the car to the on position. Back at the Junior Studio, got a message about firmware signature. Just gonna update. I've read online that it's pretty normal to get these errors when updating. There's a difference report. I'm just going to use the controller settings. Alright, so first under tools you want to go calibrate throttle position sensor. With your foot off the accelerator, click get current. And then with your foot all the way down on the accelerator, click get current and then click full throttle. And accept. Next you want to go to ignition settings, then igniter options. Under fixed advance you want to use fixed timing and make sure that timing for fixed advance is at 10 degrees. Click burn. Next you want to go tools, calibrate AFR table, and EGO sensor you want to use whichever one you've installed. I've installed the 14.7 Spartan, so that's what I'm going to write to controller. Next, get your timing gun. Attach the inductor to the first coil. The ground, pretty much anywhere. I'm just going to use that part on the throttle body. The power, I'm just going to open up this cap next to the alternator. And attach power there. Next, you want to unplug your airflow meter. Alright, so we had some technical difficulties there. Luckily some guys familiar with the Megasquirt was able to give me some advice. Change a jumper setting, just 4 screws on the connector side of the Megasquirt and 2 screws on the other side, and you'll be able to slide open the case. And just there where it says fuel pump, you want to switch from USA to Europe, so move that jumper over. Alright, she runs. So now get the timing light, shine it on the crank wheel there, and you want to make sure that the marks line up, and as you can see they don't. It's a bit advanced, so we're going to increase the timing by about 2 degrees, and now we're looking sharp. Alright, a bit of trial and error there, but turns out all Australian delivered MBs come with an immobiliser, so you do need to jump those settings. And also in Tuner Studio you do need to go back into ignition options and change your timing from fixed timing back to use table if you want to start tuning. Also not shown in the video was me switching the wires on the wideband controller from the brown wire to the green wire, so that's from simulated narrowband output to wideband output. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.